The actual dimensions, if you guys have not got them on your accounts yet, is 485 pixels by 485 pixels. So it's a square, and it's much, much smaller than the t-shirt art needs to be. So if you guys are resizing or preparing to start selling pop sockets, that's the sizing that you want to go after, or start preparing your art at. And then I'll let Steven kind of talk about the pricing. When we saw the pricing, we weren't super excited about it because we kind of know.
You want me to talk about it?
Yeah, well, we kind of know where pop sockets sell. Like, you can go to the store and see what they're priced at, and the way Amazon has it set up right now, we're not super excited about it. But you can go ahead and talk about that.
Yeah, I was I guess disappointed is the word that I will use when I saw their pricing. You almost have to sell it at $11 to kind of break even, and $15 to make like a little over $2. So I don't know who's buying pop sockets in that range. I thought we would be able to use it kind of the same way we're using like print on demand, or not print on demand, but
like the promotional companies.
Yeah, promotional companies. I thought we could start using Amazon like the promotional companies and double dip into that well to say like, okay, these pop sockets will sell because they have these logos on it, and we can also use this audience to sell it, and then use Amazon's audience also to sell more of them. But it's not turning out like that because of how they have things priced. We were kind of talking about the same thing for the hoodies. The hoodies are just at a high price that it makes it difficult to leverage merch the way that we wanted to leverage merch, which was like build brands and stuff like that. It just makes it a little more difficult because of the high price. I understand their business, they got to figure things out, but that price to me was what kind of turned me off from the pop sockets being so exciting to me. I'm excited to see what else Amazon has coming out. I mean, there's a few more products in the works, but after seeing this and the hoodies, I'm kind of not so excited about it in that way. We still are going to be launching a ton of shirts, hoodies. We'll be testing pop sockets. I've been wrong before. Might be another case of me being wrong, but I was not as excited as I was before I heard the news and started reading a little bit more on what actually is going to be happening with the pop sockets.
Yeah, so we'll keep you guys updated on that. We'll start testing on that soon.